we're not used to empty space. We are so inundated with stuff, with clutter, whether it's like physical material stuff, or it's social media and like learning and online stuff, or it is your schedule and activities and things you could do with your time. Those are all forms of clutter, and we're not used to empty space, whether it's an empty cabinet or an empty shelf or an empty closet or an empty day on our calendar or even an empty hour. We're not used to that. It makes us feel uncomfortable. We don't know how to just sit and be alone or be bored.
Yeah.
And
Mm-hmm.
like it's just become uncomfortable for people, and that's why meditation and those sorts of things are becoming a very, like, I don't want to say a fad, but more and more people are jumping on it because we don't know how to do it. We've lost that skill. That's why what I do affects mental and emotional and relational health, because as you're letting go of things, you're realizing, oh, I've been holding on to this stuff because it's fulfilled some kind of need and filled some kind of void. And I actually have been using it to distract myself from the actual root problems in my life. And now I need to talk about those things with this complete stranger and tell her all of my crazy stories. And then I feel so much better. And it's like, interesting, huh? The physical letting go helps you like emotionally let go.